Short video to talk to you about this Dyson Cyclone V10 animal cordless vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order. It has been cleaned inside and out, has used marks and dust in tight places. So it comes with a brand new replacement battery charger. Does exactly the same as a Dyson one, just hasn't got the badge Dyson on it. Comes with the brush head. This has been cleaned inside and out. As you can see here, the plastic's all gone, I don't know, it's reacted to the cleaning stuff I used. Nothing wrong with it at all, just like that. Comes with the wand. The wand has some used scratch marks on it, and then the main unit. The bin's been cleaned, the head's been cleaned, the filter's been washed and cleaned. This has a replacement battery on it. There's two modes on this: economy mode and maximum mode. Economy mode, the battery lasts for 31 minutes continuously, approximately, so it's continuous use. And on maximum mode 5 minutes, but you wouldn't use it non-stop for 31 minutes. You know, you vacuum for 10 seconds, stop from, and then vacuum 10 and then stop. Yeah, anyway, I'll show you this working. I do have other ones in stock, please take a look. Try to do this one handy without sucking up the end. So this does not come with any other tools or wall brackets. The tools, I've seen them for £3 on eBay, Temu, Amazon. So I have lowered the price to reflect this, so you can buy some tools if you want them. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.